Passage 1. The Pitch Lake. Comprehension questions. Question 1. What is the name of the village where the pitch lake is located?
To find the name of the village, let's scan the passage. Look for the word village. This word will serve as a context clue. Good. There it is in paragraph 1. Now read the entire sentence carefully to see whether it answers the question. Now remember to underline the possible answer. Situated in the small rural village of Labray. The word situated means located. Okay, we have found the answer to question 1.
Therefore, your answer could read, Labray is the name of the village where the pitch lake is located. Question 2. What are some of the uses of the pitch lake?
Again, you have to scan the passage to find some of the things pitch can be used for or some ways that the pitch lake is used. Paragraph 1 reveals one very important use of the pitch lake to the country of Trinidad and Tobago. Trinidad's pitch lake has always played a very important role in the economy of Trinidad and Tobago. The Republic of Trinidad and Tobago exports tons of pitch and asphalt to many different countries, including those of the Caribbean. So we see that the pitch from the lake serves as a major export and is a source of foreign revenue. If we read on, we see that the pitch is also commonly used to 1. Pave roads, 2. Clog lakes, and 3. Repair rooftops. In the same paragraph, we see another important use of the pitch lake for tourism. It serves as a major tourist attraction. Thousands of tourists visit our Twin Island Republic each year to view this spectacular sight and bathe in the Sulphur Lake. We have found all our answers.
Therefore, your answer should read, the pitch lake serves as an export product important to the economy of Trinidad and Tobago. It is also a major tourist attraction. The pitch that is produced is used for a number of activities such as paving roads, clogging leaks, and repairing rooftops. Question 3. What is believed to have medicinal properties?
Note, this is a direct question. This means that the answer can be found directly in the passage. So, let's scan the passage to find the words medicinal properties or medicine. Good! There it is in paragraph 2.
You can write your answer like this. The sulfur in the pitch lake is believed to have medicinal properties. Question 4. Who were the first people to live in the area now known as the pitch lake?
Let's scan the passage to see if we can find the keyword live. Alright, there it is in paragraph 3. The first Trinidadians, Amerindians, lived in the area now known as the pitch lake. Hooray! We have found the answer.
So, your answer could read, the people that lived in the area known as the pitch lake were the Amerindians, the first Trinidadians. Question 5. Describe the folklore of the Amerindians as mentioned in the passage.
This is another direct question. The answer can be found directly in the passage. Let's scan the passage for the context clues. In this case, this is the word folklore or story. Ah, there, in paragraph 3. This is where the details of the folklore starts.
Your answer could read, the folklore states that the Amerindians killed and ate hummingbirds. The gods were so angry that they caused the earth to swallow the tribe and pitch surfaced. Question 6. What is the main idea of paragraph 3?
Remember, the main idea is a statement about what the passage or paragraph was about, the central theme. Note that the main idea is most often at the very beginning and can be stated again at the very end. So we read the passage carefully. What was it about? We see it talks about the native Amerindians who lived in the area known as the Pitch Lake. It also talks about a folklore in relation to these Amerindians and the area.
So your answer could read, the main idea of paragraph 3 is the folklore surrounding the Amerindians and the Pitch Lake. Question 7. Suggest a suitable title for paragraph 3.
Remember, we already identified the main idea in the last question, question 6. So ask yourself, what could be some possible titles for this paragraph that would reflect the main idea? Here are some possible answers. We will go through each one to see why it would or would not be suitable. 1. The folklore of the Amerindians and the Pitch Lake. 2. The story behind the Pitch Lake. And 3. The history of the Pitch Lake. The folklore of the Amerindians and the Pitch Lake. We know that the main idea of this paragraph was to highlight the folklore linked to the Pitch Lake. Therefore, this would be a suitable title for paragraph 3. The story behind the Pitch Lake. The main idea of the paragraph was to highlight the Amerindian folklore linked to the Pitch Lake. Since the word story is a synonym for folklore, this would also be a suitable title for paragraph 3. The history of the Pitch Lake. History has to do with the facts about an event or place or people. We therefore know that this title would not be suitable because paragraph 3 was about the Amerindian folklore or story linked to the Pitch Lake, and a story or folklore is not fact.
Remember, when choosing a title, the title of the passage or story must reflect the main idea of the passage or story. A folklore is a story, and stories are either fictitious or unreal. History is concerned with the facts about an event, place, or people.